Football is a popular sport around the world. In some countries, it's called soccer. A game of football is called a match. Two teams play in a match. The players play in football kits. They wear a t-shirt, shorts, and socks. They also wear football boots. Football boots have studs. Studs help the player with grip and stop the players from falling over. There are 11 players in each team. We play football on a pitch. There are 4 types of players: goalkeepers, defenders, midfielders, and strikers. There is 1 goalkeeper in each team. The goalkeeper protects the goal. The goalkeeper wears gloves. They can use their hands to stop the ball. There are usually 4 defenders. They help the goalkeeper protect the goal. There are usually 4 midfielders. They play in the middle of the pitch. There are usually 2 strikers. They try to score in the other team's goal. The referee makes sure all the players follow the rules. When the players break the rules, it's called a foul. The referee blows his whistle to stop the game. The referee can give the players a red or yellow card. A match is 90 minutes. At the end of the match, the team with the most goals wins.